Hi, my name is Maria Lloyd, and I am the owner of a marketing firm named Opens Clicks Cash, and I'm also the author of a book titled Words Are Wealth. Now, I'm on a personal mission to help as many small business owners as possible reach their first six figures in business. If that mission resonates with you, I want to invite you to come along with me on this journey by simply liking this video, subscribing to this channel, and making sure that you hit that notification bell so that way when my team members and I post new content, you will be one of the first persons to be notified of that content. Now, as you can see, I am purposely keeping my camera super small because after my trips from Johannesburg, South Africa to Washington, D.C., and then over to Brooklyn, New York, somewhere, somehow, I've now fallen ill. So I don't feel that great. But I'm on the tail end of it. So I'm actually feeling better than I have in previous days. With that being said, I'm super excited to bring this content to you because this week, as I was working, I was like, you know what? I need to share some of these common email marketing mistakes with my audience. So, with that being said, that is exactly what we're going to talk about today. These are the top three common email marketing mistakes that I see people make oftentimes. And these are usually juveniles, or if I'm working with a client and they have been sending emails, these are some of the common mistakes that I notice with their email marketing before they hire us. Okay, so let's dive into the content. The first one is not sending enough emails. I'm not sure who told you all that that one little email per month would cut it, but it's not going to cut it. As you can see here, the data says that the average person receives 121 emails per day. Okay, so your once per month email is simply not going to cut it. You have got to be willing to send more emails. Now, I'm not encouraging you to, send like a ton of emails that don't serve any real purpose other than to reach some sort of quota. That's not what I'm encouraging you to do, but I am saying that one email per month, when you're thinking about the fact that people are receiving on average 121 emails per day, your one email is not going to cut it. Okay. So, as I always say, it's quality and quantity when it comes to email marketing. You want to send really good emails that people want to open, but you also want to send a lot of those, right? Because if not, you're just going to get drowned out by the masses. So that's one of the most common mistakes is not sending enough emails. The second most common mistake is not including a call to action, or a CTA is what we typically call it in my industry. You've got to tell people what to do. If you don't tell them what to do, you risk them not taking any action at all. So make sure that you actually tell people what to do in the body of the email. They need to know very quickly what you want them to do, specifically what are the steps that they need to take, whether it's to make a purchase, whether it's to subscribe to your YouTube channel, whatever the call to action is, make sure that you quickly and clearly identify that so that people can know how they can support you. And then the third and final common mistake with email marketing that I notice is a lack of personalization. I'll tell you now, this one is exceptionally important, especially in the era of AI. Okay. People are looking for a personalized experience. You want to use merge fields. Okay. You want to use segmentation. You've got to really dig deep into discovering who your audience is. But also, when it comes to the tone of your emails, that's very important as well, and that plays a role in personalization. If you show up sounding like Samuel L. Jackson on social media, but then all of a sudden you turn into Albert Einstein via email, that's a lack of brand continuity. And it's a quick way to turn people away from your email communications. If you show up using profanity and all of that on social media, definitely bring that into your email as well. Okay. There's no need for you to become, politically correct all of a sudden when you get into email, but on social media, you're showing up as your authentic self. No, you want to continue that authentic connection and that authenticity in your communications. via email as well. So these are just some examples of personalizing your email. You could do so by sending trigger emails. You could do so by, again, using merge fields, segmenting your audience based on things they did or did not do. You really want to dig deep into this personalization. I'm telling you, it absolutely, positively makes a difference. So I'm keeping this short because, again, I do not feel that great. But fortunately, I'm on the tail end of this sickness. At least I hope I am. So I should feel much better next week. But with that being said, if you need some help with your email marketing, definitely reach out to us. Visit opensklickscash.com. Again, it's opensklickscash.com and click on contact to schedule a 25-minute session so that we could talk about your email marketing. Okay. So, with that being said, please, once again, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, to like this video, and to hit that notification bell. And always remember, content is currency and words are wealth. I'll see you again soon. Peace.